You've built a circular prototype. Now it's time to test it. Not in the lab, but in real life. Because circular solutions only work if people use them. Let's walk through how to run effective user testing for circular products and services. Step 1. Define what you're testing. Start with clarity. You're not testing everything. You're testing one core idea. Will users return packaging? Can they navigate the repair service? Do they understand the take-back flow? Is the refill process too confusing? Narrow your focus. Choose a clear user journey and test that loop. Step 2. Select the right users. Pick a small, relevant sample. Real customers or people who match your target audience. Stakeholders who influence adoption. People unfamiliar with circular systems. Aim for 5 to 10 users per test round. Enough to spot patterns, small enough to stay agile. Step 3. Choose a method. Here are 3 great options. 1. Usability testing. Watch someone use your product or service, in person or virtually. Ask them to think aloud as they go. You'll spot confusion, hesitation, and workarounds in real time. 2. Journey walkthroughs. Give users a scenario and walk them through it. Great for services or systems that have multiple steps, like renting, returning, or refilling. 3. Intercept interviews. Catch people at the point of use. Ask short questions about behavior, barriers, and expectations. Perfect in pilot locations or pop-up tests. Step 4. Ask the right questions. Your goal is insight, not compliments. Try questions like, what did you expect would happen here? What part felt confusing? What would make this easier to use? Would you do this again? Why or why not? What would stop you from participating? Avoid leading questions like, did you like it or wasn't that great? You want truth, not praise. Step 5. Observe behavior. What users say and what they do are not always the same. Watch for where they pause or backtrack, where they skip steps or make errors, what tools or language they use naturally, where they show frustration or delight. This is gold, because in circular systems, designing for behavior is just as important as designing for sustainability. Step 6. Analyze and adapt. After each test, what patterns did you see? Where did people get stuck? What needs simplifying or explaining better? What should you test again? Update your prototype, run a new test, repeat. This is how great circular experiences are built, loop by loop. Step 7. Build feedback into the system. Don't stop after the pilot. The best circular services have ongoing feedback channels, in-app surveys, QR codes for feedback, hotline or chat support, data dashboards that show drop-off points. Make feedback a feature, not an afterthought. In the end, the best circular idea means nothing if people won't use it. That's why user testing is essential. It turns intention into action. It turns good ideas into real behavior change. This is user testing, the circular way,